Welcome back to another episode of Truck Stuff. This is the factory one. And when you get a new bumper, like a high clearance bumper, how does it sit in the truck? It sits like this in the truck. And when you get a high clearance bumper, you can see the bottom edge of this. This sticks out and all of a sudden. It's not hidden anymore by the bumper. So when I put my bumper on about a year ago, I pulled this thing off. And I've been without washer fluid since then, which really fucking sucks. So I know this is a lot smaller, but compared to nothing, which is what I'm running now, it's going to be a huge upgrade. That's the upgrade. That's the factory one. Also, if anyone wants this, get at me. Don't lowball me. I know what I've got. Okay. Scarab Off-Road stuff. Scarab Off-Road stuff. A coolant relocation kit. The paint is really shitty because I did that. Step one's pull out the airbox. Step two is finish it, and you're on your way. Salt bay. I shouldn't have done that. Ta-da! Watertight. Fly me to the moon. Oh man, shouldn't be a problem. Nice, slick. Okay. So yeah, it uses one of the airbox bolts, which I'm gonna go clean up the airbox real quick, and then I'll be able to button this up.
A little longer than a few minutes later.